Guys, welcome to Alvin's World. Today we are reviewing and unboxing Realme GT2. So let's get started with the unboxing. Let's unbox.
So this is mainly manual, I think. Yes, operating manuals, multilingual manuals. This is the phone.
The black color.
Yeah. So what are the other things? Let's see first.
Oh, a cover. Wow.
A cover.
Black color.
Yes.
Charger. I think it's 65 watts. I think so. I'll tell. So let's open the phone. Wow. It looks good. It has on display fingerprint. Let's open it up. So there you go. Here's the phone. Let's get to the settings and let's check about device. 256GB and 12GB the version is this. You can get 8GB 128GB and 12GB 128 also. So yeah, you can see
it has the Snapdragon 888.
yeah, Snapdragon, and in the Pro version you will get Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 Qualcomm 888. Let's see, the Android version is 12. So it has a 50 megapixel by 8 megapixel and a 2 megapixel camera. At the side it has at the right side it has a power button. At the left side it has a volume up and down button, a front primary camera, front camera, and the fingerprint is actually very fast. So the display resolution is 1080p by 2400 pixels. At the bottom you can see stereo speakers and a USB Type-C. We'll show you this SIM card tray. So it is just dual SIM, no micro SD card or anything.
So there is no expandable memory.
Yeah.
So whatever memory you have, I think 256 GB
or 128GB, you can, it depends upon the price that you select.
Yeah.
So but you can expand the RAM if you want to, like add more RAM to it, and like if you add RAM to its back, right? So that's all. So now we are going to show you the video quality and the camera quality of the pictures and the night mode of this phone. So bye guys, don't forget to subscribe. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and hit the post notification bell if you haven't already, so you get each and every notifications when we upload a video. Bye.